Hey friends, it's Angie, and if you can't tell by my look, Halloween is only days away. For today's makeup look, I was very inspired by the Our Lady of Sorrows statues, and this is like super hard to keep on my head. The Our Lady of Sorrows statues and images, we always see the Virgin Mary weeping for her son, and they're just so haunting to look at, and they're so beautiful. They usually depict a pale Mary with flushed cheeks and nose because she's been crying. She has tears running down her face and she just looks very sorrowful, and it's such a beautiful image, and I really wanted to recreate something like that for my Halloween look. If you want to see how I transform myself into this creepy weeping Mary, please keep on watching. So guys, this is the finished look. I added this headpiece that I actually made. It's supposed to look like the halos. I don't know what you would call them. I just took some skewers, and actually I did this the hardest fucking way possible. They sell skewers that are pointed, obviously, but I actually bought like wooden dowels. I bought wooden dowels and sharpened them myself, so these are super fucking sharp. And I spray painted them gold, and I attached them to this headband, and then I hot glued these flowers from Dollar Tree on, and I added this veil. I don't know if you guys can see this because I can't see shit with these contacts on. I added this veil, which is actually a I'm not sure what this is. I know I was using it as a tablecloth for my dining room table, but it's like this weird gauzy material for Halloween decor that I found at Dollar Tree. Just pop these on. I feel like they finished the look. Also feel like this could be a good base for Dia de los Muertos kind of look. For these tiers, I made these out of hot glue. Pretty much you just squirt out some hot glue on wax paper and I spray painted them black. You can do gold or red or leave them clear to look like actual tears, but I made them black because I feel like they kind of look like they're oozing out of these sclera contacts. I feel like I almost look like Edward Scissorhands. I think it's the brows and the small mouth and the pale face, but I'm not mad at that. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know I had a blast doing it. If you'd like to see more of this look and the other looks I've done for Halloween and makeup looks in general, please check out my Instagram at Chubby Bacon Bear. I have one more video for Halloween coming up, and let's just say I'm so excited to get it up for you guys. It is, oh, if you love horror and if you love 80s horror, 80s sci-fi, and you like SFX, fucking hold your horses. If you like this video and the content that I'm putting out, please do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Remember to subscribe if you have not already, and be sure to click that bell notification so you can get notified every single time I make a video. I want to thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.